My name is Damilola Adekoya. We had a very impactful session. um, Learned how to think as an entrepreneur and what is needed to begin the journey the right way. I'm hoping that um, more than what we learned yesterday, I'm going to be going on with another skill set that will enhance my confidence in beginning the journey. So, and also at the end of the program, I would like that they have a community where we can still be getting in touch with each other, and then we can also get support from the people that organize the program, and just to help us achieve that success.